Welcome back, and this is question 177 called Nth Highest Salary. Now, I just made a video just before this where you get the second highest salary, so this is kind of an extension to it. One of the other differences is that you actually create a function for this, and we kind of do one little trick specific to it, so be on the lookout for that. But for this question, we are given an employee table, and we're passed the number n, which is, we want the nth highest salary. And so say if you pass in 1, well, you want the highest salary. If you pass in 2, you want the second highest salary, and so forth. And the only other caveat is that if there is no nth highest salary, you want the report to be null. Okay, so for this question, what you do is you want to select the distinct high salary, and you want to do it from the employee table, right? Because we're grabbing it from here, and then we're simply ordering by the salary descending. So this will actually make it so that we're going from highest to lowest. So now we're returning, all the values and going from 300, 200, 100, if we're looking at this case here. And so in order to just return one value, we're going to limit our output to 1. Okay, and then because we want the nth highest salary, what we can do is we can add an offset of n. And so this goes ahead, and so instead of grabbing the top row, which in our case would be the highest salary, since we're ordering them in descending order, we're going to grab the nth row. Okay, so if n is 2, we would be grabbing the second row. Now, the one little caveat here is because if we're passing in n, right, and n is equal to 1, we don't want to have an offset of 1. So we want 1 to be the highest salary, in reality, so that if we're passing in 2, we just want the second one. We don't really want an offset of 2, because an offset of 2 would be the third number on the list. And so to do this, we add a set statement right here. We set n is equal to n minus 1, right? And you can't do n minus 1 here because the offset can't actually calculate in this arithmetic here, so you have to kind of set it outside of our return statement. Okay, so if you go ahead and run that, and it's accepted, and looks like we're successful. So I hope my explanation helped, and good luck with the rest of your algorithms. Thanks.